Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be creating an opal look. Now, opals can look easy, but getting it to look right might not be as easy as you think. So let me show you how I created this. I bought a few items from Amazon and wanted to create an opal look with it. So the first thing I got was a mermaid chrome palette. This is going to be my base color. I gotta say, this palette is a game changer. I wish they would have created something like this sooner so I wouldn't have like 20 or so little containers of chrome powders just kind of laying everywhere. I went ahead and sealed my chrome with some clear gel. Now once cured, I'm going to be adding some color to add a bit of dimension. And here I am using the clear jellies from Vetro. Once my color is on, I'm going to go ahead and cure that and then add my base coat. I'm not going to cure this base coat layer because I'm getting it ready for my mylar flakes. Another item that I bought from Amazon is the mylar flakes. This kit came with 6 different colors and they are purple, blue, green, pink, and then 2 different shades of like that clear white. When creating the opal look, I'm going to be working in layers. This will be my first layer of the mylar. And I'm using the colors in pink and green. Once I'm satisfied with the look, I will go ahead and cure. Now my mylars are cured, I went ahead and created this milky white, putting white and some clear gel together because that's gonna act as our opal color. I'm gonna go ahead and put on a pretty good amount because we don't want any mylars to be sticking out. So this is gonna help also cover all those bumps and rough edges. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this color through and try and get it all into the crevices because I really don't want anything to be popping out. And I am trying to spread out the white a little bit more because I still want these mylar flakes to show a little bit more and not have the white color cover everything up. I then will go ahead and cure it once everything looks good. Now that layer is cured, I'm going to be adding another layer of base coat and going in with a different color of mylar and adding that second layer. Now this layer, I'm not going to add too much mylar. I'm just going to add enough so that it gives that dimension looking like one layer is below and then one layer is on top. I'm satisfied with everything. I'm gonna go ahead and cure that layer and going in with the second layer of white to seal everything in. You'll notice that with this layer, I am just floating the gel because I'm sealing everything in and I don't want anything to be poking out or having any kind of rough edges. Okay, so at this point I'm gonna go ahead and top coat because I'm gonna add another layer of the chrome powder. Now at this point, I would be adding a foil just because foil makes it have a more different effect. And because I'm in the middle of moving, I packed up all my foils and I don't have that with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it with the chrome. To add some more dimension to this look, I'm going to add some line and just kind of feather it out to make it come out alive. No, seriously, just adding this little small detail is really going to make a difference because it really shows how the opal is all coming together. Here is the final look. What do you think? Would it be easy enough for you to try it out? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.